Actual Marine Info, where knowledge has no boundaries. So friends, today we are going to discuss about the crankcase explosion in marine diesel engine. So without a wasting of time, let's start today's session. A crankcase explosion is caused by ignition of oil mist itself created by the presence of a hot spot which led to the evaporation of lubricating oil and its condensation into oil mist. As we all know, for a fire to take place, there are three basic elements that are required to complete the fire triangle. These three elements are heat energy, oxygen, and fuel. In the presence of all these three elements in proportional ratio and within the flammable limits, the reaction will causes explosion. Now let's discuss about the reasons of crankcase explosion. First one, the normal content of crankcase is air. In this air, there are oil droplets formed by the mechanical atomization of the oil as it spread from the edge of the bearing and other places and as it is thrown about and churned by the quickly moving parts. If a hot spot occurs, the oil particles in the neighborhood will evaporate. This evaporation may cause the formation of a quantity of white condensed oil mist in the cooler region. The continual generation of heat at a hot spot vaporization may proceed a space until the ratio of vapor to air lays within the range of flammability. If hotspot can provide the necessary heat for ignition of vapor, a primary explosion may occur. Now let's understand about a hotspot and why it occurs. It is an overheated part sufficient to initiate combustion. A hotspot occurs due to the failure of lube oil to bearing, sprockets and similar parts. Hot gas blowing past the pistons may provide a spark sufficient to cause an explosion in the trunk-type piston engine. Hot spot temperature is about 280 degrees centigrade to 400 degrees centigrade above the lube oil flash point. How to know hot spot is there or not? By hand feel to crankcase door, irregular running of engine, abnormal noise in crankcase, bearing lube oil temperature increase. Alarm will operate when it reach at oil mist concentration 2.5 to 5%, smelling and appearance of the dense oil mist when open breather pipe drain cock. Now let's understand how to prevent the crankcase explosion. To minimize the formation of explosive mixture breather pipe or exhaust fan fitted on crankcase. To prevent the formation of hot spot in the crankcase, the bearings should be in correct running clearance, lubricating oil should be adequately supplied to bearing, chain with sprocket wheels and other running parts. The piston with rings and cylinders should be in a safe working limits. Good fitting and efficient locking of working parts. Let's see some crankcase safety devices. Breather pipe with flame trap, crankcase exhaust fan, oil mist detector, crankcase relief doors, bearing temperature sensor, lube oil return temperature sensor, and routine test on used lube oil for viscosity, flash point, and contamination. Friends, what will be your action after detecting a hot spot? Inform chief engineer and bridge. Reduce the engine speed to reduce the heat generation. Increase lubrication to the running surfaces. Keep clear of crankcase relief door to prevent personal injury. Keep fire extinguishers ready and open skylight. Inform bridge, stop engine, open indicator cocks, engage turning gear and turn engine with lube oil circulation continuing to prevent engine seizure. After about 30 minutes, when the engine is sufficiently cooled down, stop lube oil pumps and open crankcase door. Try to locate the hot spot by hand feeling over and by observation like a change in color. If the hot spot is located, prevent a reoccurrence by making permanent repair. Make thorough inspection of crankcase. Pay particular attention to hot bearing, piston, bottom end bolts, guides and piston rod around stuffing box. Start lube oil pumps and check for proper flow of oil from every lubrication point. If everything is found normal, inform bridge, start the engine and gradually increase speed. Outside fill over sequence to be carried out for satisfactory operation. Preventive measure of crankcase explosion. There should be adequate cooling of the engine, proper purification and analysis of lube oil filter to be changed over and cleaned as per schedule. Ensure proper cylinder lubrication by checking the condition of piston, piston rings and liner through scavenge part. Clean scavenge space as per schedule and drain scavenge space regularly. Maintain the stuffing box gland sealing in good condition. All running gears maintenance and check to be carried out. Be alert and rectify for any abnormal noise in crankcase. All safety trips and alarms fitted on main engine to be tried out. Proper watch on all running gears, temperature and pressure to be maintained. Blow through all sampling tubes of oil mist detector regularly. Zero adjustment and sensitivity of OMD to be checked regularly. Check for oil leakage at crankcase explosion relief doors and check for the operation by hand. Check flame trap for cleanliness. So friends, in this session we just discussed about the crankcase explosion, what is the reason behind it and how to prevent it. In upcoming session we will discuss about constant pressure turbocharging. Till that, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.